Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back. We are here with another fun-filled week of science. I cannot wait to begin learning with you this week. You're already experts in what we are learning about, and I am very excited to continue learning with you. This week, we are going to take our knowledge of plants and apply it to one very, very big plant. I wonder if you can look at my computer screen and figure out what that plant is. Take a moment and take a guess. Did you say trees? You're right. There's a tree on my computer, right here. And we are going to begin learning about trees. Now, throughout this part of our unit, we're going to begin learning about different parts of trees and what they do. When we talk about trees, we're going to talk about the trees having 4 different main parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And those parts are roots, a trunk, branches, and leaves. We're going to talk about what those parts do and where they are. Let's look over here at my diagram. On my diagram, I have all of these different boxes available. I also have a picture of a tree here. Seesaw is wonderful for several different things. One of them is being able to do activities like this. Now today, I want you to keep one thing in mind. Actually, I'll tell you about this in a little bit. Rethinking how I'm giving you this lesson right as we speak. So here I have a picture and it says parts of a tree. Now with parts of a tree, it's showing you the 4 main parts here that I want to discuss. Now with your knowledge of plants, I bet you already can label some of these tree parts. But in case you can't, we're going to talk about that. So here we have a tree. Down here in the bottom underground, we have the roots. Listen carefully. Roots. That starts with the letter R. I'm going to look at the beginning sounds of my words and see if I can't find one that starts with the letter R. Oh, found it. Roots. I'm going to put this box here because that's the box with the arrows pointed to my roots. The next part here is above ground. This is like the stem of the tree. This is the trunk. After finding that beginning letter sound, I'm going to move that box into the proper part I want it. Then, these sticks that reach up tall here are called branches. So I'm going to look for my word that starts with the letter B. Branches. Branches. And I'm going to bring it over into my box here. And I'm going to set it down. And then all these green things, I know you know what those are, but what are they? They're leaves. Leaves. Oh, here we have This is the sign language for L. These 2 boxes both start with an L for leaves. Which one do I pick up? Guess what? They're the same. I'm going to grab this one because this one's closer. drop it where I want it. And then down here is a little sentence for us. It says, a blank is covered in blank. What do we have here? What is this whole structure called? A tree. Tree. A tree is covered in leaves. Okay, so now that I've completed this system here, you have two options for your assignment today. What I want you to be able to do is I want you to be able to label the parts of a tree. I'm giving you the option today. You can either label your own tree that you draw, or you can label mine. If you want to label your own, you can just click on the picture so that you see. I'm pointing with my finger thinking you can see it. So silly. Once you see these white dots, you know you've highlighted the picture, then you can delete it and you're left with all of the correct box labels that you need to use. Okay? You will have two extras. You'll have an extra leaves and an extra tree. If you want to delete those, you can do that also. And if you decide you still want those, we can bring everything back. Okay? It's up to you how you want to work today. Today, your job is to label the tree, showing me you're able to know the names of the four main parts of the tree. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know, and we will continue learning about those four parts of a tree as our week moves on. Okay? Have a lovely day, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.